Right, morning. Next issue we've got is windows don't work. As you see, got nothing. I can hear the relay going. So where the relay's clicking, you could probably say that these switches are working. So what I'm going to do, I've already had a look at the wiring here because this is quite a common place for them to go. Move that there like that. Sometimes these break down through here, but all this seems okay on this one. So I'm going to take the door card off. Plus it needs a bit of a clean down through. And we'll see what we got from there. It's always nice to try and keep the membrane in one piece, but it's ripping it. The glue's stronger than the membrane, so should cut it. And we'll just tape it up afterwards. Window motors there. The electric's going underneath. It's only 2 wires. You can see that. There's only a 2-wired connector, so I must reverse the polarity in the fuse box. So we'll check the power on that. And see if the motor's seized or we've got a further problem. Right, a little bit more involved. So we've got if I pull up, we've got voltage, and then it realises the window's all the way up, so it cuts it off. If I press down, we've got nothing. So possibly this is a faulty switch, because I can't hear relay going when I'm pressing down. But I'll try and find a switch, we'll put it in and see what we can get going. I might swap the wires over quick. I can see if the window actually goes up and down. Make sure the motor's working. Right, I'll knock a little bit of test loom up, and we'll see how this works. Right, very basic loom where we can swap the polarity over, because we know we've got one feed, so we can plug it in one way, swap it, plug it in the other way, and see if the window goes up and down. Right, so we've got the little wire made up onto the connector in there. These pushed into the connectors there. And when I press one of the buttons on here, the window is actually working. Like so. But when I go the other way, it's not working. I'll swap these over. So now we know the motor's working all the way to the top, all the way to the bottom, so the connections are good. The wiring loom is good from there because the polarity swaps in the body control module. So I'd say probably the switch is not sending the signal down to the body control module. But yeah, I'll get a set of switches and then we'll see what happens. Right. I've got no switches around here, no local ones have got any switches, none of the local breakers got them, so I think I will end the video there, and probably pick it up on the next video when I put the door card back together again and things like that. Yeah, it's a bit of a short one this time, but We got to the bottom where we know it's the switches, I think. So the motors are working and everything like that, and the wiring from the fuse box and everything's good. So yeah, it's probably down to the switches. But yeah, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. You can carry on watching me fiddling around with stuff. Thanks. See ya.